Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Carrot website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you update your phone number in your Carrot website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to change or update your phone number in Carrot anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a new phone number, or maybe if you're working in various markets, you want to make sure to have a local number in your Carrot website page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Carrot website dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Carrot website, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to change the phone number to your Carrot website, there's a few different ways you're going to need to do this. You can do it to update all of the phone numbers in your Carrot website. You can also do it locally on the page. So for example, if you're working in a market like Los Angeles that has a lot of different area codes and you have various pages for those areas, you can go ahead and update just one page or the entire website. So let me show you the website first off. So here on the top left, make sure you're working in your correct Carrot website. Once you've chosen the website like I have, here on the left, you're going to click on settings. Okay, so here are the settings for this website. So here is the short code phone number that's used throughout the website. So anytime this appears on your website, this kind of short code right here, phone, this phone number is going to show up. So if we want to change this, let's say we're no longer working in Las Vegas. Let's say we're working in San Diego. So we'll update that to 619 and then scroll down and then click on save. So now anytime the short code right here for a phone number, this right here in these little brackets, it's going to show this number. It's not going to show my 702 number. Now, if you want to update the phone number to one specific page, here on the left side, you're going to click on content. Okay, next, you're going to go ahead and scroll through until you find the page that you want to update the phone number for. So for example, this one right here, Beaverton Cash Home Buyers. We're going to click here on edit. Okay, once you click on edit, if we scroll, you're going to see all these short codes right here, Market City. So that's the cool thing about Carrot. It automatically updates anything inside the short code, but we have a San Diego number, but this particular page is for Beaverton, Oregon. So we want to be sure to use our local number. So here on the right on the editing block, we're going to go ahead and change it there. If you don't see this block here, up here on the right near the top next to save, you're going to click on this little box and you can see it kind of opens up when you click on it. So make sure it's opened up and then click on page. And then to update the phone number for this one specific Carrot page, scroll down until you see this override market settings and click on there. Once you do that, you can scroll down a little bit more and you're going to see this right here, phone. So all you're going to do is click in there and then go ahead and update the phone number. So let's do 503-55-1212. Okay, now the phone number is updated and you want to be sure to click on save here on the top right. All right, now it's saving. Okay, now it's done saving. So if you want to see what it looks like, just click here on this and it's going to open up the page. Okay, now this is what somebody is going to find if they are searching in Beaverton, Oregon. So right here on the top right, you can see the phone number has been updated. And if we scroll down a little bit more, you can see there's some content right here. And then that phone number has been updated as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update your phone number in your Carrot website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.